Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel mobeen4qureshi. I'm your host mobeen4qureshi. Today we're diving into something super important but often overlooked: dynamic warm-ups. These are the key to unlocking your best workout yet, so let's get moving. First up, we have the leg swings. These are fantastic for loosening up your hips and legs. Stand tall, hold on to something for balance, and swing one leg forward and backward. Do this for about 15 to 20 swings on each leg. Ready? Let's go. Feel that stretch. It's like waking up your muscles. Next, we have arm circles. These are great for your shoulders and upper body. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually making them bigger. Do this for about 30 seconds in each direction. Let's get those arms moving. Keep it going. Feel the burn? That's your body getting ready for action. Now let's get into some walking lunges. These are perfect for engaging your legs and glutes. Step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle, then push back up and switch legs. Do this for about 10 to 12 reps on each side. Lunges are a powerhouse move. Keep your core tight and stay balanced. Up next, we have high knees. This one really gets your heart pumping. Run in place, bringing your knees up to your chest as high as you can. Do this for about 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Feel that energy. This is a great cardio warm-up. Last but not least, we have torso twists. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and twist your torso from side to side, letting your arms swing freely. Do this for about 30 seconds. Let's twist it out. Twist and shout. This one feels amazing on your back and core. And there you have it, 5 dynamic warm-up techniques to get you ready for any workout. Remember, warming up is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing your performance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome fitness content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.